morning. Hey bestie, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Janet, aka JP, and if you're returning, hey bestie. Before we get into the video and all the good stuff, look, I just want to thank y'all so much. We hit 500 subscribers, okay? 500. That was my goal for this month, 500 subscribers. And I was a little on edge this month, like, I don't know if I'm gonna hit it. You know, the numbers, it was getting close to the end of the month. Y'all, we hit it. We had 500 subscribers before the New Year's, on New Year's Eve. And I thank y'all so much for the support, for the watch hours, for the comments, for the likes, for the everything. Like, it's y'all got me here, and I really appreciate it, and I love y'all so much. And just know 2025 we're gonna do more content, more ideas, better everything. It's only up from here. Okay, I look crazy as hell. I just woke up. It's 10:06. I actually went to go cook me a boiled egg and some pancakes. Y'all, I love a good boiled egg. Throw on some little garlic powder, peppers, salt, and it's like complete seasoning. I'm telling you, so good. With one of the McGriddle pancakes from Trader Joe's. Look, tear, but I'm full. Now we're watching Kayla Mari's new video. I'm waiting for the bathroom to become clear so I can do my daily do. So yeah, I'll be back once I, you know, take care of all my hygiene stuff, and we're gonna get straight into video. Video will be a 2025 reset video, so we're gonna declutter the room, clean up, move some stuff around, throw some stuff out, change the calendar January, change everything, change the goals, go back to first quarter. I'll see y'all in a little bit. It's 1:10. I just did all my daily duty. Y'all, I went to sleep. When y'all last seen me, I went to sleep. I took a nap, and then I woke up. I was like, oh shoot, I'm asleep. Woo. But we up. I took a shower, did my hygiene stuff. I'm about to just blow out my hair a little bit because it's poofy again with a hot brush. So yeah. You know you better watch out. Some girls are only about some guys are only that thing. Oh, been trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is, but way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you so made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. Did this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did. Hey, we don't know each other well, so why I keep picking on myself. Memories. Okay, y'all, this how the room looks. So, see, we got packages over here that I'm just gonna do an unboxing haul with that. Gotta make my bed. Everything's already clean. I just haven't made my bed. I'm gonna clean that off. Gotta change my calendar, change my goal. Look, y'all, let me show y'all. We got 27 PR/collab packages just this month. That's the largest number we've had since I've started content. I'm gonna clean the mirror, a little fit. I don't know, did I show my hair? My hair, I just put it in a hot ponytail. Got on a shirt, sweatpants, and my slippers. We're gonna throw some stuff away. And yeah, let's get into it. We're gonna start with making the bed. So yeah, y'all know we don't clean without music. Okay, there you go. No, don't do that. Should we start off with some Psy Baby or some D-Lo? I think D-Lo. Then Psy Baby. Cause D-Lo get you tired. D-Lo get you turned. He get you hype and ready. Hold up, wait a minute.
Nigga, give me more cheeks. Hold up, I'm running.
fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know you taste this a little bit. High maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And don't you what you want? Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And don't you what you want? Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright.
Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, away.
Y'all, so I'm gonna do another PR unboxing video because the packages, I don't know what's in here. I didn't open it. All this stuff I haven't opened. I know what's in here. One. Might not throw that. 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 7 packages. All the big ones are closed. 3 packages is really supposed to be just one big box. It's from a brand. Other 2 I came from TikTok shop, and then this is for a brand, and then this was PR Sense. This side is my sister's clothes. I just went through all her clothes throughout. Everything was too little. For Christmas, she got a big Shein haul, so I put up all her Shein clothes. All my pants, I don't feel like trying on any pants, so they can't fit them. I'll try them on if I'm gonna go out. But I do wear most of the stuff up here, honestly. I don't know if I can fit this anymore. But this is cute. We're gonna try it on real quick, cause all this, most of the stuff up here is new. Either I wear it or it's new. So I know I need to go through that. Put on this shirt real quick. Hold on, step out the cam. Girl, you could, let me, before y'all get to talking about a turtleneck, you could throw it on a cute little feel, this turtleneck. Hold on, let me see if it can fit a little right. If I throw this on. Oh, I don't know, is it giving? It's okay, it's okay, it's whatever. So we're gonna keep it. Let's check the list. So this is the list. Made our bed, changed our calendars, change goals, declare the room, try on new. Oh no, I'm not doing that right now. Clean out I cleaned out a little piece of my closet. So y'all have a big bin full of clothes because all of my dresses are filled, my closet's filled, bin of clothes. And I go through that bin every time the new season comes. It's edited me. And what I was trying to say in the video that I didn't know cut off because I was still yapping. I'm like, where's the rest of the footage? Anyways, what I was saying was pretty much I go through my bin every time the season changes. So I just went through it for summer, through clothes that I couldn't fit or didn't want. Then I did it for the winter. When winter came around, threw away clothes I didn't want or I couldn't fit. So it was no point in me going through that. But what the hell? But bye, y'all. Love y'all. Hey, y'all. So I want to go ahead and do an outro because I got no more storage on my phone. My phone just embarrassed me like that after I was just giving it the utmost praise for clearing out my CapCut storage. Now it's my photos. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and end the video here. I knocked off everything off my list except for going through my clothes, but I literally do that every season. So I just did it before winter got here. So I don't think I really need to do it again. I didn't add anything new. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much, besties. And thank y'all so much for getting me to 500 subscribers, y'all. It's only up from here, okay? Bigger and better content, okay? And happy New Year's. Hopefully I could push this out tonight because it's not that much footage, maybe like 10-11 minutes. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media, especially TikTok, because that's where I'll always be. I actually feel like TikTok's not going to get banned. Follow me on Lemonade. If y'all love music, go ahead and check out my playlist because, girl, I got all the good music. And if you made it to the end of this video, drop down on orange hearts, okay? Because it's not that we locked in forever and ever. I love y'all so much and happy New Year's. Mwah.